What's going on YouTube? Today I got another unbox for you. So I just bought a Powerstop brake systems, coming like a rotor and brake together. So just gonna do a little quick unboxing for you guys. So this is for the Lexus RX350. Came one of the brake sponge, the throw and slot one, sponge. Oh shit, is the thing? It's pretty heavy. This is look like. It's the front and the back. Alright, put this down. Oh my gosh, it's pretty heavy. Alright, let's see what's in the box in here. Open it. Got the rubber boost, the cake, and you get the oil, gel, whatever. So 4 total. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So this is the vehicle I'm working on it. RX350. And peace.